Hello and welcome to Quick Tips 2. Today I'm going to review and show you how to use the Dimplex OFC2000TI. Hopefully by the end of this video you will be able to decide on whether this is the right heater for you or not. This is a 2 kilowatt electric oil-filled radiator with a timer. The radiator comes with wheels which can be assembled in 3 simple steps. The steps can be found in the instruction guide. On the front of the radiator, you have a thermostat, a neon indicator, 2 on-off switches, a 24-hour timer with program, enter, mode, plus and minus buttons, and a cable wrap. Now let me show you how it works. There are 2 on-off switches. Powering on the first switch will give you 900 watts of heat output, which is good for small rooms. Powering on the second switch as well will give you 2000 watts of heat output, which is good for larger rooms. Having these 2 options can be useful when it comes to being able to control electricity usage and costs. The thermostat controls the heat output according to the room temperature. This ensures that the heater will not produce heat unnecessarily. To set the temperature you require, turn the thermostat clockwise until the required setting is reached. This radiator can operate in 2 modes, manual mode and auto mode. To switch between modes, press the mode button. As you can see, this is the auto mode and this is the manual mode. The manual mode works without having to preset anything. It will allow you to switch on the heater simply by turning on the switches and by using the thermostat to control the heat output. The auto mode will allow you to switch on and off your heater automatically according to a set 24-hour program period. With this setting, you can set 4 programs from P1 to P4. Before you can set a program, you will need to set the current time. To do this, press and hold the program button until the hours section will start flashing. Now use the plus and minus sign to adjust the hour. Then press on Enter. Now set the minute. And press Enter. Now, to set a program, press on the Program button. The timer will display P1 and on. You can now set the hour you want the radiator to start, then press Enter. Then set the minutes. The minutes can only be set in 10-minute blocks. Then press Enter. After that, the timer will display P1 and off. You can now set the time you want your radiator to turn off. So set the hour and the minute, then press on Enter. You can repeat the same steps for P2, P3 and P4 to set other schedules. Overall, this is a great portable heating appliance. It heats the room quickly and it is easy to operate. The 2 on-off switches help reduce the cost by controlling the heat output. And the thermostat helps adjust the temperature in the room. If you have any questions about this product, please leave a comment below this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get the latest tips and tricks on the latest technologies. With Quick Tips 2, knowledge has no limits.